Welcome to next Arduino tutorial. So today we will discuss about the shift register. Okay, first of all, drag your shift register to breadboard. The shift register I am using is 74HC595 shift register. Okay, now let's take a look at its schematic view. Here is my schematic view. Alright. Now there are 16 pins in the shift register, in which 8 pins are my output pins. Pin number 1 to pin number 7 and pin number 15. These are my output pins. And there are 3 input pins. Okay, which are pin number 14, which is my data pin, pin number 12, which is my latch pin, pin number 11, which is my clock pin. Okay, and rest pins are power pins, like 8 pin is ground pin, pin number 16 5 volt, and output enable pin number 13. Okay, it will also goes to ground. Now let's do the wiring of this shift register with Arduino board. Let's get back to breadboard view. Okay, let's zoom out. Drop your shift register to breadboard. Okay, now drag your Arduino board. Here's my Arduino board. Alright, now this is my pin number 16 and this is pin number 1. Okay, now connect your pin number 16 with 5 volt. Okay, here's my 5 volt. Let's connect the 5 volt from Arduino board. Okay, alright. This is my pin number 15, it is my output pin. Pin number 14 is my input pin, and pin number 13 is my active low pin, and it goes to ground. Okay, and black. Alright, and here is my pin number 12, the latch pin, pin number 11 the clock pin, and pin number 10 is my reset pin, and it will also goes to 5 volt. Okay, let's change the color of wire to red. Alright, now here is my pin number 9. It is my overflow pin, and this pin is left to be blank because we don't need this pin anymore. Okay, now let's get back to pin number 8. It is my ground pin. Now here is my ground. Okay, now let's change the color of wire to black. Now I have to connect my ground from Arduino to breadboard. Okay, now here's my ground. Alright, sorry, here's my ground, and still there is no ground in this track. Now first of all, drag your ground. Alright, now short these terminals too. Okay, this one also. Alright, okay, now let's connect our input pins to digital input pin of input output pins of our Arduino. Okay, now here's my pin number 15, it is my output pin, and here's my pin number 14. Alright, let's say I'm connecting this pin to pin number 2. Data pin goes to pin number 2 of Arduino board. Let's change the color of wire to blue. That's it. This pin number 2 goes to, pin number, data pin will goes to pin number 2 of Arduino board. Okay. Now next pin is my latch pin, which is pin number 12 of shift register, and it goes to, let's say, pin number 3. You can connect with any pins of Arduino board. Alright. Okay, now here's my pin number 12. Pin number 11 is my clock pin. Let's say I'm connecting this pin to pin number 4 of Arduino board. Alright. Okay. That's it. Now you have to connect LED with output pins. Okay. Now here's my LED. Okay. This is my LED. Okay. Now add resistor of 220 ohm. Let's adjust it. Alright. Now negative end with resistor of LED will goes to ground. My flag, and positive end will goes to output pin of shift register, and it is my first output. Pin number 15 is my first output, so I'm connecting this pin number 15 with positive pin of LED. Now let's change the color of wire to yellow. Okay, yellow pins are my output pins, yellow wires. Now let's connect our second output. Now let's turn it 180 degree. Alright, now let's flip it first. Yeah. Okay, now here's my first output, so I'm connecting this output to pin number 1 of shift register, and negative end of LED will goes to ground with 220 ohm shift resistor. Okay, because I am using 220 ohm shift resistor. Alright, now let's connect our second output. Nice here. Okay, I'll flip it. Copy and paste your resistor and connect it with ground, and positive end of LED with pin number 2 of shift resistor. Alright, yeah, this is my pin number 2 of shift resistor. Now let's change the color of this wire to yellow, because this is my output. And let's modify it first. Alright, that's it. Pin number 2 Okay, pin number 2 of this shift register is connected with third LED, which is my third output. Now let's connect our fourth output, which is pin number 4. Okay, just copy and paste your LED. Okay, and copy and paste your resistor. Where am I? Now ground it black. Okay. Negative end of resistor with negative end of LED with 220 ohm resistor will goes to ground, and positive end of LED will goes to pin number 3 of shift register. Okay, let's again modify it. Alright. Okay, similarly let's connect our another output. Copy and paste LED. Okay, copy and paste your resistor. Connect this resistor to ground. Change the color to black, and this positive terminal of LED will goes to pin number 4 of shift register. Alright, now let's change the color of wire to yellow. Let's cross check it. Okay, that's it. Remaining in outputs are pin number 5, 6 and 7. Alright, again copy and paste your LED. That's it. And connect it with ground. Black. Uh-oh. Change black. All right. It will goes to pin number 5 of shift register. All right. Pin number 5, and it will goes to pin number 6 of alright. Let's connect our last LED here. Let's copy and paste here. Black, my positive end goes to yellow. Okay, so that was all about programming part. Now wiring part. Now let's do our programming of this shift register with Arduino board.